Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello food explorers and curious taste buds. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your gateway to the world's most exciting culinary journeys. On this channel, we bring you the flavors of different cultures, exploring new ingredients, and showcasing the creative ways in which global chefs are making delicious dishes. Whether you're a passionate home cook, a foodie adventurer, or just looking for some culinary inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting aspects of global cuisine: how different countries make delicious dishes with substituted ingredients. From plant-based swaps to creative culinary innovations, food substitutes have taken over kitchens worldwide, allowing chefs and home cooks to explore new flavors and healthier alternatives. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just looking for something different, you won't want to miss these incredible ingredient swaps from every corner of the globe. Let's explore the culinary world of food substitutions and how various cultures have found their own unique, delicious ways to make dishes with substituted ingredients. 1. The magic of jackfruit, a meat substitute in India and Southeast Asia. Jackfruit has taken the culinary world by storm in recent years as a plant-based alternative to meat. Its meaty texture makes it a perfect substitute for pork or chicken, especially when it's young and unripe. This magical fruit, which grows abundantly in Southeast Asia and India, is incredibly versatile. In India, jackfruit is used in a variety of dishes, like kathal ki sabzi, jackfruit curry, where the fruit is cooked with a blend of aromatic spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala, creating a rich and satisfying curry. In Thailand, jackfruit is also incorporated into green curry, where it absorbs the curry's fragrant coconut milk and spices, giving a satisfying texture similar to chicken. In the Philippines, jackfruit is used in dishes like ginatang langka, where it's simmered in coconut milk, often paired with shrimp or pork, for a flavorful combination of savory and creamy goodness. The beauty of jackfruit lies not just in its texture, but also in its ability to soak up flavors from spices and sauces. It's high in fiber, low in calories, and a sustainable meat alternative. 2. Coconut milk, the dairy-free delight in Southeast Asia and beyond. Coconut milk is a staple ingredient in many tropical cuisines, especially in Southeast Asia and parts of the Caribbean. For those avoiding dairy, coconut milk is a wonderful substitute in many dishes, providing a creamy texture and a subtle tropical flavor. In Thailand, coconut milk is the backbone of dishes, like tom kha gai, a creamy chicken soup, and masaman curry, where it creates a rich and velvety base for curries that are both comforting and flavorful. In Indonesia, coconut milk is also used in soto, a traditional soup made with chicken or beef, and nasi lemak, where it's added to rice for a creamy, savory touch. In the Caribbean, coconut milk is used in rice and peas, as well as tropical desserts like coconut ice cream and coconut drops. Sweet, chewy coconut candies. Coconut milk is naturally dairy-free, and it adds an undeniable depth of flavor to any dish. It's rich in healthy fats, particularly MCTs, and makes an excellent replacement for heavy cream in both savory and sweet recipes. 3. Cauliflower, the low-carb alternative to high-calorie staples in the West. Cauliflower has become a favorite in the Western world, particularly among those following low-carb diets, such as keto or paleo. Its versatility allows it to replace high-calorie ingredients like rice, potatoes, and even pizza crust. In Italy, cauliflower is used to create cauliflower pizza crust, a gluten-free alternative to traditional pizza dough. With a light, crispy texture, it makes the perfect base for any topping. In the United States, cauliflower rice is a popular choice in low-carb dishes. It can be tossed in stir-fries or used as a base for grain bowls. In the UK, cauliflower is used as a substitute for mashed potatoes in a lighter version of shepherd's pie, and in vegan versions of bangers and mash sausage and mashed potatoes, it provides a creamy and satisfying base. Cauliflower is not only low in carbs, but it's also packed with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, making it an excellent addition to any meal. For tofu, the protein-packed substitute in East Asia and the West. Tofu is a cornerstone of East Asian cuisine and has made its way into the hearts and kitchens of chefs around the world. Tofu is made from soybeans and is an excellent source of plant-based protein. It can be used in a wide range of savory and sweet dishes, making it incredibly versatile. In China, tofu is used in the famous mapo tofu, a spicy, mouth-numbing dish that combines tofu with ground pork or beef, garlic, and Sichuan peppercorns in a rich, flavorful sauce. In Japan, agedashi tofu is a popular dish where tofu is lightly battered, fried until golden, and served with a soy-based dipping sauce, garnished with scallions, daikon, and bonito flakes. In Western countries, tofu is often used in vegan dishes, like tofu scramble, a plant-based alternative to scrambled eggs. as well as desserts like vegan chocolate mousse or tofu-based cheesecake. Tofu is incredibly adaptable in both texture and flavor, making it an excellent substitute for meat, eggs, or dairy in many cuisines. 5. Tempeh, the nutty protein source in Indonesia and vegan cuisine. Tempeh is another soybean-based product that's gaining popularity worldwide as a meat alternative. Unlike tofu, tempeh is fermented, giving it a firmer texture and a nutty, earthy flavor. In Indonesia, tempeh is often deep-fried and served with rice or incorporated into gado-gado, a traditional vegetable salad with peanut sauce. In the US and Europe, tempeh has become a popular choice for plant-based burgers, sandwiches and salads often grilled or to give it a hearty, meaty texture. In vegan cuisine, tempeh is used in dishes like tempeh bacon, where it is marinated and cooked to create a crispy, smoky flavor that's perfect for breakfast sandwiches or salads. Tempeh is not only rich in protein but also offers gut-healthy probiotics due to the fermentation process. It's a great substitute for meat, especially for those looking for a firmer, nutty alternative. 6. Seitan, the wheat-based meat in East Asia and Western vegan cuisine. Seitan, also known as wheat meat, is made by washing wheat flour dough to remove the starch, leaving behind a chewy, protein-rich substance. It has a meaty texture that makes it perfect for creating plant-based versions of classic dishes like chicken or steak. In China, seitan is used in vegetarian kung pao chicken or stir-fries, where it absorbs flavors like soy sauce and ginger. In Japan, seitan is featured in vegetarian yakitori, where it's grilled on skewers with a sweet and savory glaze, making it a popular choice in vegan Japanese cuisine. In Western cuisine, seitan is used in seitan steaks, vegan sausages, or even seitan chicken nuggets, mimicking the texture and flavor of meat. Seitan is an excellent source of protein and has a chewy, satisfying texture that makes it a popular meat substitute in savory dishes. 7. Almond milk, the nutty dairy-free substitute worldwide. Almond milk is a popular plant-based milk that's made by blending almonds with water. Its mild flavor makes it an excellent substitute for cow's milk in a variety of dishes, from beverages to desserts. In the US, almond milk is commonly used in smoothies, lattes, and even as a milk substitute in cereal or baked goods. In India, almond milk is used in badam milk, a rich, sweet beverage often served at festivals or special occasions. It's also a base for many traditional desserts like badam halwa. In the Middle East, almond milk is often paired with cardamom and saffron to create a luxurious drink served during special occasions or with desserts. Almond milk is not only dairy-free but also lower in calories compared to regular milk, making it an excellent alternative for those seeking a lighter plant-based option. 8. Zucchini noodles, the low-carb pasta alternative. Zucchini noodles or zoodles have become a popular replacement for traditional pasta, especially for those following low-carb diets. Made by spiralizing zucchini into noodle-like shapes, these vegetable noodles offer a healthy and light alternative to pasta. In Italy, zoodles are used as a substitute for spaghetti in dishes, like zucchini pasta with pesto, where they soak up the fresh, herby flavors of basil and garlic. In the US, zucchini noodles are often used in place of regular pasta in stir-fries, salads, or even as a base for creamy vegan Alfredo sauce. In Australia, zoodles are incorporated into Asian-inspired stir-fries often tossed with soy sauce, ginger, and sesame oil. Zucchini noodles are low in calories, high in fiber, and a great way to enjoy a lighter version of pasta-based dishes. The creative evolution of global cuisine, food substitutes are transforming the way we cook and eat around the world. From jackfruit replacing meat in India and Southeast Asia to cauliflower taking the place of high-carb ingredients in the West, culinary traditions are evolving with new innovations. These substitutes aren't just about catering to dietary restrictions, they offer a chance to explore new textures, flavors, and health benefits that we might never have considered before. The beauty of these swaps lies in their ability to connect different cultures through shared creativity, sustainability, and love for food. Whether you're swapping tofu for meat, using coconut milk instead of dairy, or enjoying a plate of zoodles instead of spaghetti, you're opening your palate to a world of possibilities. As we've seen, countries across the globe have found ingenious ways to adapt their traditional dishes, making them more inclusive, healthier, and often more sustainable. So the next time you cook, try swapping a familiar ingredient with one of these substitutes. You might just discover a whole new world of flavors. Thank you for joining us on this exciting culinary journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing episodes of Global Eats Uncovered. Let's keep uncovering the world, one bite at a time.